All right, so we have a city's population. In the year X equals 1953 was 733,750. In 1966, the population was 7,000 or 700. Can I say this right? 730,000. There we go. 500. Compute the slope. State the slope, and then tell me what it means. Okay, let's do it. I'm going to move this over and get out my whiteboard. Come here, whiteboard. Okay, so good idea. I like to make tables to start with and then go from there. So I have my X versus my Y. My X is a year and my Y is a population. Okay. First year was 1953. The population was 733,750. And then in 1966, I have 730,500, and I want to know what the slope is. So M, that's going to be change in Y's over change in X's. And we just have to get the order right. So I'm going to take, oh, look at the population dropped. I should see a negative slope. 730,500 minus 733,750. And I highly recommend you write everything down before you hit your calculator. Otherwise, you have no way to double check yourself. All right, so next I need to type that into a calculator and see what happens. And we can type that in one shot. There's usually no reason to find the rise separate from the run. And spreadsheet's cool, but I think I just want to use a regular calculator. All right, my Desmos calculator has a lovely fraction button. And I have 730,500 minus 733,750. Right, over 1966 minus 1953. Ooh, that's a nice clean slope. Beautiful. Not always that clean. Negative 250. And I was expecting a negative because I could see as the year increases, the population decreased. So that right there is negative 250. Negative 250 what? Okay, well, the problem actually kind of tells me that. It says it should be people per year. Double check in my notes that that's the case. What were my Y's? Yeah, they were definitely people. That's the population in people. And these are change in years. So this is negative 250 over 1 as a fraction, people per year. And when we interpret a slope, we always go by the independent variable first. So for each year that goes by, the population decreases by 250 people. So my sentence is going to look something like that. For each year that goes by, or each additional year, lots of ways to say it. The city's population decreased by 250 people. Now, I don't have to say per year here because I got the per year in front. For each year means per year. And I should be clear, right? I don't know if that's happening now. I know it happened between 1953 and 1966. So a better sentence would be to also put that in here. From 1953 to 1966. And I could even be more clear since I don't actually have all the years in between. I probably should put on average. That is a beautiful sentence right there. I think that's good enough for a newspaper. Cool. We did it.